Imagine being able to see all the driving data you need in the way you want, in your Fabia's virtual cockpit. Well, that's now a real thing. First, choose from the different layout options by pressing the lower right button on your steering wheel. Then, personalise it further with the lower left button and use the rotary knob to scroll through your options. And that's not the only way to do it. On your infotainment screen, tap on the vehicle icon, choose Selection, and then Virtual Cockpit. From here, you can pick out one of the preset modes or choose what you want to see on either side of your digital display. Either way, you can get it just right for you. Imagine that. That's another Skoda skill to take away with you.